guys, it's Tyler here. I'm just on my iPad, but I haven't modeled a skin yet. I'm on my computer right now, and I'm at bacon.net. I'm having some fun. As you see, I'm not. This is off my iPad, and I'm on my computer. And you can't see it anymore. Now, one more thing, too. Let me turn around. WAS, I have to, takes me a couple of minutes. Oh, I can't see anyway, so, yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, man. I forgot, I'm gonna change the view.
Okay. What are you doing? You watching one and playing another? Recording.
Cause baby tonight. Let me come up a little bit, you guys. Oh, this is on my computer. Oh, sorry. Sticky keys. I know this is short, 1 minute long, but I have to go, guys. This is starting to get annoying. But this is really all I'm on bacon.mc.com. It isn't that fun, so. Bye, guys. GD Sky may be